Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explaining how to edit Google add-on virtual card or MasterCard or Visa card. So let's get started. This video is totally education purpose. So I hope this video is totally helpful. So please subscribe our channel and like this video. So just I'm open a notepad and this is the MasterCard and month, year and CVV and card name, address and postal codes. So guys, now I'm open Google Ad one network. Okay, just I'm clicking discount price in 2 terabyte. So monthly I'm just click basic plan. Okay, get offer, and now I'm bill monthly or your bill yearly, annually. Okay, just I'm bill monthly. Then continue button press and agree. So guys, this pop-up menu is add payment methods and Google account, complete your purchase and your payment method only visible to Google. So add credit or debit card. So I'm just click add credit card or debit cards. So guys, I'm just create a copy paste. So now first of all card number. Okay, typing card number. Okay, this is the virtual MasterCard and this is the real and cardholder name. Okay, then billing address Bangladesh. Now I'm copy address. Okay, address line 1, address line 2 is skip and city Bagherhat. Okay, and postal code 9300. Paste and just click save. Oh sorry guys, I'm not type month or year and CVV. So now click on save button and the purchase Google Ad Network. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So subscribe our channel. This message is card is not decline request because my card is empty. You have balance, so purchase Google accounts. So I hope thanks for watching and I hope like this video. Please subscribe our channel. So goodbye.